Discovered how to bounce in his bouncy chair.
Bounce it off, Charlie boy.
Charlie, good. Yes.
Yeah, buddy.
Keep going. Go ahead, bounce. That's so fun.
Charlie, that's good bouncing.
Good bouncing, buddy. Good job. Yeah. Good bouncing, bud. Thank you, Auntie Carrie and Uncle Mad Dog. I love my bouncy chair.